Welcome to Rejuvenation Medi Spa, where the latest laser technologies in body sculpting and beautification will transform your body and create a better you, improving your self-esteem and confidence. It's the rejuvenation you've been waiting for. Now it's easy and achievable to get back the looks you've wanted for so long. We all want to look better and feel better about ourselves. But no matter how hard we diet or exercise, use countless amounts of creams and pills to lose weight and fat, or try to get rid of cellulite and remove hanging skin, you realize that hundreds of dollars and wasted time is not what you're looking for. What you are looking for is fast and permanent results. This is where the combination of laser technology, smart lipo, and laser tight come in. And when you decide that laser is a choice for you, then there's only one place you should go: Rejuvenation Medi Spa.
Rejuvenation Medi Spa is a place for me because it's comfortable, everyone is nice, and they have a great staff.
I chose Rejuvenation Medi Spa because I heard wonderful things about Dr. Avellini.
I used to just wear sleeveless shirts, and now I don't wear a shirt at all in the summertime. You know, if it's above 50 degrees, the shirt's off.
You see that difference, and it's amazing. It just takes my breath away.
Wouldn't you love to get rid of those love handles or sagging chin? Wouldn't it be great to look in the mirror and really like what you see and feel totally confident about yourself? Well, finally, the beautiful results of body and facial contouring, fat removal, and skin tightening is available at Rejuvenation Medi Spa. Beautiful choices are now available to you to create that beautiful younger you. With Smart Lipo and Laser Tight featured at Rejuvenation Medi Spa, there are no incisions, no sutures, and you'll get rapid, painless, and scarless recovery. Smart Lipo and Laser Tight is a choice for you. Smart Lipo uses the latest advancements in cosmetic surgery technology, which provide a safer, quicker, and cost-effective method. Pioneered in Europe, the Smart Lipo procedure is the first laser-assisted liposuction procedure. Smart Lipo was approved by the FDA in November of 2006 and has quickly been labeled the cutting-edge procedure in cosmetic surgery. The Smart Lipo system has quickly become one of the most successful liposuction procedures in the cosmetic surgery field. Smart Lipo uses laser technology to melt and liquefy the fat within the fat cells. In addition, it smooths and tightens the skin to decrease the looseness that one sometimes sees with traditional liposuction. In general, the ideal candidate is in good health, exercises regularly, is within 25 pounds of his or her ideal weight, has one or more areas of local body fat deposits that have not responded to diet and exercise, and wants to get rid of them permanently. Believe me, the results are magnificent.
I spend 2 to 3 hours a day in the gym, working out 7 days a week, a fitness instructor, healthy lifestyle. I eat a clean diet, and I always had a little extra that I wanted to get rid of. I had my abs done, they came out phenomenal. There's no marks, no scarring, no creases. If you're gonna get Smart Lipo done, or Laser Tight, or any other cosmetic procedure, definitely Rejuvenation Medi Spa is the place to go with Dr. Avellini.
A lot of friends saw, or I told them about having it done, and when I showed them the results of having it done after, are really amazed. I could never become tight in here. There was always a layer of fat, and as of now, it's much leaner. I'm quicker to take off the shirt. There's not that roll when you bend over. And I have a lot of friends that also work out and also do this, and can't believe the fact that it looks as good as it does in such a short period of time.
The doctors and staff at Rejuvenation Medi Spa will review the benefits and risks of Smart Lipo during your consultation visit. They will assess whether you're a good candidate with respect to your medical health and clarify what Smart Lipo can do for you. Rejuvenation Medi Spa also offers Laser Tight and its family of procedures. Eye Tight, which gives you progressive results, reducing and eliminating puffiness and bags. Eye Tight is an in-office procedure with local anesthesia performed in less than 15 minutes with predictable and desirable outcomes. Neck Tight improves both chin and neck area. It's a minimally invasive procedure with no incision, no stitches, and very little tissue trauma. It tightens skin by stimulating collagen production. Neck Tight is the perfect replacement to facelifts and neck lifts. It continues to tighten the skin for 6 to 8 weeks after the procedure. It is minimally invasive, rapid healing, and most importantly, there is minimal downtime. With Eye Tight, Neck Tight, and Chin Tight, the results will turn back the clock 10 to 15 years. How great is that?
You get bags under my eyes. I had some serious luggage. As far as the Eye Tight and the Chin Tight and the CO2 go, I mean, it's the gift that keeps on giving. Because 3 months down the line, my face even looked tighter and better. You want to make yourself look 15 years younger. This is the way to go.
Dr. James Avellini is the president and medical director of Rejuvenation Medi-Spas. Dr. Avellini is a certified cosmetic surgeon with over 25 years of laser experience. His past experience includes academic positions as medical director of the Kings County Hospital Center in Brooklyn, New York, and clinical instructor of surgery at the Health and Science Center at the State University of New York, Brooklyn, where he completed his surgical training. Currently, his practice concentrates on non-invasive cosmetic treatments such as laser hair removal, medical-grade laser skin care therapy, and Botox and Restylane treatments. He is a member of the American College of Laser Surgeons and keeps abreast of the latest developments and training in the cosmetic surgical field.
Laser is a specific arm or area of surgery that's been developed over the last 25 years. I've been lucky enough to be involved in its development. Smart Lipo and Laser Tight are trade names or market names or tag names for medical procedures called a laser-assisted lipolysis or laser-assisted breaking down of fat. Smart Lipo is an advancement in that we use a laser fiber rather than the suction tube, and rather than remove tissue, the fibers vaporize and melt the fat tissue in the body, where it's either removed manually or by the body itself to decrease the presentation of the fat in that area, but also, and more importantly, to give fine-tuning, contraction, sculpting, and molding of that area by generating collagen from the heat used for the laser lipolysis procedure. Laser Tight was a follower. Later treatment uses a different wavelength, and the wavelength is actually designed at reducing the water in the fat cells, so it more vaporizes fat and works very, very well in smaller areas like the eyes, the chin, under the arms, male breast, and small tummies. With this, we're able to essentially remove all the fat in the area, generate enough energy to stimulate collagen and fibrogen in the area, which over 2 to 6 weeks causes tightening, sculpting, and molding of the skin.
Cellulite is a skin condition that occurs in both men and women in which skin begins to dimple. Cellulite is a lumpy substance, sometimes described as cottage cheese. It is found mostly in the lower limbs of women after puberty. Cellulite occurs when a collection of fat pushes against connective tissue beneath a person's skin. This causes the skin to look lumpy. Many factors including genes, gender, age, and skin influence a person's cellulite. Most women, girls, and some men have cellulite, and that's where Rejuvenation Medi-Spa comes in. Most people think that the only way to permanently remove fat, tighten skin, and look great means surgery, pain, and long recovery times. Not so anymore. Rejuvenation Medi-Spa and Smart Lipo and Laser Tight make looking great so easy.
With our Eye Tight procedure, it's performed in the office under local anesthesia, typically enough anesthesia that's used in a dental procedure. It takes about 20 minutes from start to finish. The actual lipolysis itself takes 7 minutes. Any of these lipolysis procedures should be considered in patients who have lifestyle changes such as aging or weight loss, or have lost weight from previous weight gain. The patient should understand that these are sculpturing or molding procedures where we're going to remove the additional excess tissue in that area to give them a more thinner look. So the physician needs to be as much an artist as a surgeon to perform the procedures. But overall, since these are done through needle incisions in the abdomen or treatment areas, the overall complication rate is minimal.
Smart Lipo and Laser Tight at Rejuvenation MediSpa is a lot less invasive than traditional liposuction. With just a small incision and no jabbing or poking and no pain, your decision for Smart Lipo and Laser Tight will be the best decision you have ever made.
I have no problem telling people that I had it done, and a lot of people in the beginning were a little, oh, you don't need it, you don't need it, but when they see it, when they see the results of the liposuction and how quick I healed and how I was back at work the very next day and everything like this, it's definitely something that's appealing to other people.
Smart Lipo was the best for me. Non-invasive, no downtime. I was back to work the same day. Had it done at 10 o'clock in the morning, back to work at 12.
I was very surprised how fast it worked and how accurate and great it was.
Rejuvenation MediSpa makes the entire process an easy one. From a no-obligation consultation to ongoing care after your procedure, their staff of professionals and board-certified physicians makes your Smart Lipo or Laser Tight a magnificent success.
Out of all the places I've gone to, Dr. Avellini was the most qualified and the most personable and with the greatest bedside manner.
One girl had her tummy done with the Smart Lipo, and she said, I can't even tell you, she said that I could now wear a bikini. I wasn't really heavy, I didn't have too much rolls going on, but the little that they did do made a huge difference. My stomach is as tight as a drum. I could wear a bikini. She was just so happy and so thrilled.
They're the best. I don't know. They got great doctors. They're very personable. They're one-on-one. It seems like they care about you a little bit more. It's not just the business.
Now you may think that Smart Lipo and Laser Tight are expensive. Guess what? Even greater news, it's not. With procedures starting at low introductory rates and with a monthly payment plan available, the time to create the new you is now. Rejuvenation MediSpas is your complete MediSpa for bringing back the beauty in you. Just think, a smoother face, brighter eyes, tighter skin, no more cellulite and fat. You'll be ready to put on that skimpy bathing suit again. Rejuvenation MediSpas are conveniently located. Come in today for a free, no-obligation consultation. Come to one of our Rejuvenation Botox parties and see why everyone is turning back the clock at Rejuvenation MediSpa. To set up a no-obligation consultation with our board-certified physicians, just call the number on the screen or just go online at rjmedispas.com. Isn't it time to look in the mirror and love what you see again? You can at Rejuvenation MediSpa, bringing back the beauty in you.
Results you're going to get, it's worth it 10 times over. I mean, I can't even tell you how happy I am and thrilled to see the difference in my skin and my eyes and my chin. The best part about this is getting that significant result where you actually see the difference, and it's wonderful. And in fact, I've had friends who I haven't seen in months, and they'll see me and they say, wow, what did you do to yourself? You look great. You know, you look like Sophia Loren. And I say to them, you should have saw my before pictures. I look like Ralph Lauren.
My friends were very surprised when they saw me. They couldn't believe how good I looked. And then I told them what I had done. And they want to come here.
Thanks for watching.